Hello friends. In this video we have taken a speed controller from an old washing machine and successfully converted it into a DC fan speed controller. To make this work we used a few diodes. For the first speed setting, we connected 3 diodes in series, and for the second speed setting, we used 5 diodes. You can adjust the number of diodes depending on how much you want to reduce the speed. The more diodes you add in series, the greater the voltage drop and therefore the slower the fan will run. We used 1 ampere diodes 1N4007 for this setup. However, if your load requires more than 1 ampere, it's better to use higher rated diodes like 10A10, 10 ampere diodes. Once all the connections are done, carefully solder all the joints to ensure solid and safe connections. Project is ready for test. As you can see, when we switch between speed levels, the voltage reading on the multimeter drops accordingly, confirming that the speed control is working as expected. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.